Hello, welcome guys to the weekly mentoring video. It's Monday, October 12th, 2020, and obviously we have a fantastic program today with some new things to learn. You know that this video is just for information and educational purposes, and trading is risky. You're making your own decisions. I'm here just to teach you how to trade options. So I'm going to start with the topics for today, and we will talk about of course, the portfolio management. So we'll do our routine, look at what's going on, as always, pain points. What do we need to fix? Is there something to fix? Is there something to close? We'll look at the butterflies, and especially at Apple and Lulu. I just picked those two because they've been moving a little bit, and I'm going to show you how a broken wing butterfly can profit you in a short term. Square, take the money and run. So this was actually a successful butterfly, and I want to show you, how to pull a trigger and basically close a winning trade on a butterfly. ExxonMobil, when is the right time to close the synthetic short? ExxonMobil has been with us for a very long time already. It's an investment stock for me, which pays big dividends. Oil has not been performing very well, and in our portfolio, ExxonMobil appears as it's like a huge loss. However, we've been selling calls and puts on ExxonMobil, bringing cash flow, and also there will be a dividend coming hopefully soon, reducing the cost of owning ExxonMobil. And we also have a synthetic short on that position, which basically paused the losses on a downtrending stock. So it doesn't matter anymore for us if ExxonMobil goes up or down. We have a position which is very, very neutral in terms of stock price movement. You see, we have quite a bunch of positions here in our portfolio, a lot of them actually. The portfolio is beta weighted on SPY, and if you look at the delta, you can see that we are even kind of like bullish on our bearish on our portfolio right now. It's very neutral though, so it seems like we've been very neutral with our portfolio recently, and that's because there is a lot of volatility on the market. There was some news on Trump getting COVID and discussion about stimulus, and markets are very sensitive to that kind of news. So I decided not to be directional in this period of time, and I will continue being very neutral. I won't be too much bullish. Right now it seems like markets are recovering. So if you look at the current value of SPY, it's trading at 350 almost. So looks like it recovered and it's going bullish, but we stay very neutral here. And we look at the butterflies on Apple. So I created a butterfly, but it's kind of like a mixed position. It's a butterfly for which I paid also a little bit with a short put spread. I was very bullish Apple, and if you look at the chart of Apple today, it gapped up, and it shows signs of strength as it was moving along this 50-day moving average for a couple of days. Now it broke up. Like it gapped up, showing even more signs of bullishness. And I think if it continues, it can go to levels of 140 or even higher. We will see. Earnings is coming. There were some positive news on their new iPhone or something like that. So I think this company is really a solid company, and people actually like it, like their products, innovative still. And I see bright future for Apple. So therefore I decided to be, and seeing this pattern, this kind of head and shoulders here, I was bullish. So what I've created is something like that. This is a risk chart on Apple, and you see it's composed actually of two positions. There's like 5 positions, but two kind of like strategic trades. First of those is a butterfly, broken wing butterfly, and it's a winning trade. It's actually kind of making like $86. It's not yet entering the triangle of max profit, where we have a theta switch point somewhere at the level 125. We have a theta switch point where time works for us. Right now time works against us, but we are sort of already profiting currently at the moment. It's a profitable position. So it's a broken wing butterfly, but I decided, I spent some cash on it, right? 337 max loss. If this position expires worthless around that level here, and Apple never moved.